different world, different city, but boom, there's someone who knows you. It feels good. It feels safe.
Say this. I haven't read one word on this thing. Who the hell else could do this?
I'm from America. I like America. I also like China. Oh, and Shenzhen.
Yeah. He knows Dylan Page. Oh, we know him too.
This is my city, and you guys are welcome.
Yeah.
You can do try the best to enjoy the city. You can change a little bit. You can change a little bit.
There's no need.
Okay.
It's fun to stay at the
YMCA.
It's fun to stay at the
YMCA. There are 3 moments in life that's going to bring you great happiness. And that's the very old Chinese traditional system. Different world, different city. And boom, there's someone you know, someone who knows you. I was on TG Uno. It's your lucky day. It's your lucky day. Let's take a picture together.
Yep.
It's sweet and savory at the same time, also spicy.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Maybe you like it, maybe you don't, but it's very Chongqing.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
This is Chongqing. Chongqing is the best city in China, and everything is very spicy. But I think it's very natural.